sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 16 of Legends of Ferrari F1, the die-cast 1/24 scale model collection by our good old friends DeAgostini. Now, you want to grab these for yourself, head over to this link all the way along there. Pop. That'll take you to the DeAgostini website, folks, where you too can start your fabulous collection. And this week we got the Ferrari 126 CK from 1981, driven by the late, great Gilles Villeneuve, folks. Bless his heart. This is from the romantic era of F1. He was a beloved driver at Ferrari and would have gone on to achieve so much and was sadly taken. And it leaves a lump in your throat when you, as soon as I saw this cover, I was just like, oh, Gilles Villeneuve. It's one of them, isn't it? It's probably my earliest memory of this era, and you started losing drivers. Jochen Rindt, Ronnie Peterson spring to mind. Two of maybe many that went during that year or era even. But yeah, it leaves a lump in your throat, folks. But yeah. So let's have a look at the car. Scuderia Ferrari in 1981 abandoned naturally aspirated engines in favour of the turbocharged ones. Yes, 1.5 litre engines, 6 cylinders with twin turbos. But yeah, so there was lots of teething troubles with the engines and the chassis back then. But yeah, look at that, unbelievably beautiful. Just stunning. They really are. Gilles himself there. Yeah. Absolutely was loved by anyone that came across them. He just, yeah. The exposed engine, just picked up on that. But yeah. Beautiful, beautiful design. Quite a wide looking car as well. Whether or not that's because she sat so low. But yeah. And all the cars back then had that very low, wide wheelbase stance about them. Yeah, beautiful. There's some stats there on the 126 CK there. Looking rather splendid in it. And there he is there. An unexpected achievement, bless him. Yeah. Yeah, quite poignant. Bless him. And his son Jacques obviously went on and won the F1 World Championship in his own right. But yeah, poor old Gilles. Sadly missed. And yeah, taken far too young. There's a profile there of Antonio Tomanini even. So yeah, just ruined his name there, folks, with my bad pronunciation. So there you go, that's the magazine done. So let's move on to the model. And there she is, folks, in all her splendour. Look at that. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. So let's take her out of her case and have a quick look, see, shall we, folks? And look at that, folks. Oh, what a thing of beauty. Wow. And she's got that very short wheelbase, but that very flat bodywork style, and I like the silver or the chrome wings front and rear on them, the Ferraris of this era. Something I'd like to see them bring back, but I could imagine the reflection would be quite blinding, but it just got that distinctive look about it, isn't it? So let's have a look there. You got your sponsorship livery down the side there. Nice deep rear wheels there, silver and gold. And notice there's no tyre brand in there. Whether or not that's licensing, I don't know, but it's quite noticeable that they're missing there. I wonder whether it was something back in the day there, but yeah, look at that. Absolutely stunning. Blue windscreen there. Looking into the cab, but again, the thing I notice, look at the chassis, aluminium tub, folks. Also, look, the modern Formula One driver. This is called a gear lever, and you use that to change gears manually. Yeah. No buttons on the steering wheel, standard steering wheel, no instrument clusters, anything like that. And look how thin these walls were, folks. My God. Scary when you think about it. Different era, different time, wasn't it? But very exposed cab area there for the driver. Also, look how far forward the driver is. His feet would have been right close to the front. Bless him. And then obviously all the exposed engine and gearbox here, folks. Everything is just on display. Exhausts coming out the way, your gearbox, your differential, all exposed. Big high intake brake ducts there. How the different ideas were, but yeah, a little bit of louveage going along there. But it's just an iconic shape, folks. Look at that. Just so damn beautiful. I really could look at this one all day long, and it's all the cab details are there, the cockpit details are there, all your different sponsorships, both sides there. But it's just, I remember this Ferrari. I think I had a model of it back in the day. I'm sure might have been a die cast even back then, and it just used to sit on my shelf staring down, because Mum, bless her, was a right Formula One nut, and yeah, got me into this sport at this age. And yeah, beautiful example from the early 80s there of a classic looking Ferrari, and it was driven by a driver that even nowadays is still held in awe. There's just a romance about the guy, and I think it's one of those great what if moments, isn't it? Yeah. But there you go, look at that. Beautiful example there of a Ferrari, folks. So let's just put that down gently. And don't forget, folks, if you'd like to grab this collection and have these beautiful iconic cars in your cabinet, head over to this link all the way along here. Pop. That'll take you to the DeAgostini website, where you can take out a collection for yourself, folks. In the meantime, if you want to help me out, just click the little festa in the corner there and subscribe to my channel. Also ring the bell whilst you're there. That way you'll get notified of future content. Thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.